Hi, I'm Olsen, and I'm going to teach you Icelandic. So why should I teach you Icelandic? That's a very good question, and I can't answer that because I'm not a professional in speaking Icelandic, but I know the street lingo. I'm representing the hood. We should just start now. The first word is, wait for it, hello. Say it with me. Hello. Hello. So you now might be wondering, what does hello mean? I'll tell you that right now. Hello means hello. I know. Hello, 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 hello. It's just like we took the English word hello and just translated it into hello. Very simple. And now you should be done learning hello. And now you can say it with me one more time. Hello. Great. So the next word is reiður. Reiður. Do it with me. Yeah. Reiður. 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 So reiður means angry. It's when your emotions get too much of you and you get reiður very much. Like sometimes when I miss the bus, I get very reiður. And that's very bad because when you get reiður, you get very angry. And it's just, yeah, you use it in a sense like you use angry. I'm very angry. Ég mjög reiður. I am very angry. Ég mjög reiður. So just picture this reiður. You, like you say it, reiður. You are angry. Reiður. Sorry, reiður. Just say reiður and then you're okay. Say it with me one more time. Reiður. Now you're angry. Good job, guys. Keep it up, and next time I will teach you more Icelandic.